In this video, I'll show you how to pay your ATOME card using InstaPay. Step 1. Open your preferred online banking app or e-wallet that supports InstaPay. Make sure you have enough balance to cover your payment. Step 2. Go to Transfer or Send Money, then choose InstaPay as the transfer option. Step 3. Under Bank Institution, select ATOME or ATOME card from the list of supported billers. Step 4. Enter your ATOME card number or reference account number, then type in the exact amount you want to pay. Step 5. Double check all the details, then hit confirm. You'll receive a confirmation message once the payment is successful. And that's it. Your ATOME card is now paid via InstaPay. Super fast, super easy, and available 24/7. Make sure to pay on time to avoid fees and keep your account in good standing. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.